Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to improve your digestion with different methods and ways you can try at home. So the first one is to eat real food. Now you'll notice the photo I put up here, it's just an example, but you're not going to see any pre-made ingredients here. This is all the natural raw form of the food. Now, a typical Western diet is high in refined carbs, saturated fat, and food additives. This has been linked to increased risk of developing digestive disorders. Food additives, including glucose, salt, and other chemicals, have been suggested to contribute to increased gut inflammation and lead to a condition that I'm sure you've heard of called leaky gut. Trans fats are found in many processed foods, and they're well known for their negative effects on heart health, but have also been associated with increased risk of developing different inflammatory bowel diseases. So I put a quote here, "Let food be thy medicine." Now that's a popular quote from, I forget exactly who, but it was a Greek philosopher. Now I believe in this statement fully. That's why I put this, the food part, as the first remedy, because it will make a very big difference. If you are eating a healthy diet and living a healthy lifestyle, then the benefits will show. So the second is fiber. Now, I love fiber. I've made lots of videos on fiber. You feel free to check them out. But it's common fiber that it's common knowledge that fiber is very good for digestion. The soluble fiber adds water to the absorbs water and adds bulk to your stool. And insoluble fiber acts like a giant toothbrush for your digestion system, and it helps move everything along nicely. So soluble fiber is found in oats, legumes, nuts, and seeds, while vegetables, whole grains, and wheat bran are good sources of insoluble fiber. You can also supplement it. I've made many videos on supplements and different foods, so check that out. There's also prebiotics, which is a type of fiber that feeds your healthy gut bacteria. Diets high in this fiber have been shown to reduce the risk of inflammatory bowel diseases. The third is healthy fats. Now, this one might not be as obvious, but a good digestion may require eating enough fat. Fat helps you feel satisfied after a meal and is often needed for proper nutrient digestion and absorption. Additionally, studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids may decrease your risk of developing inflammatory bowel diseases. So some foods high in omega-3 beneficial fatty acids include flax seeds, chia seeds, nuts, fatty fish like salmon, avocados I threw up here. It's not necessarily the bad fats, like you're not going to go eat a greasy burger or something like that. I think we can all make the difference between what's healthy and what's not. But I did give you a few benefits or a few example foods. You can also supplement omega-3 pills, but food, again, let food be thy medicine, and try to fully improve your lifestyle. So those are the 3 ways, easy ways you can fix your digestion. But if you want a good long-term solution that's a little easier, you can try a supplement called Cyanogut. Now, it's a digestive supplement that's potent. It's designed to help fix and regrow the lining of your stomach and to get rid of the bad bacteria and help the good bacteria. So I'll show you what the ingredients are here. It's nothing crazy. It's a natural supplement. It is potent, and it's designed for a 30-day treatment period to fix your problems. So I used it for 30 days and it fixed pretty much all my problems. Of course, I'm still eating, decent fiber, trying to live a healthy lifestyle. But they do offer 60-day money-back guarantee, I believe. So if it doesn't work, you will get your money back. I didn't personally have to get a refund. It worked for me, but I'll leave a link to it in the description if you want to check it out. If not, I gave you 3 easy ways you can adjust your lifestyle and help start fixing your digestion. So I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.